I love Vietnam! Ciao! Ciao! Ciao King! Ciao King! Guys, nandito na kami sa Palawan.
Hey, I feel jazz and a good mood, babe.
Okay, so ngayon nandito kami sa Coconut Boat.
Yes!
At dahil sanay na kami pinapaikot kami, papaikot-ikot lang tayo ngayon dito. Malalaman niyo mamaya kung bakit. Uy! Ang angas!
Hindi na nakita ng boat na ganyan.
Ha?
Hindi na nakita ng boat.
Boat na bilog. Wow! Ako muna? Ako mag-isa?
Go!
Only one. Only me, myself, and I.
Ma'am! You spin faster!
No! I'm scared. Scared.
Faster! Faster!
Vietnam number 1!
Labi na! Number 1!
Yeah! What's your name? What's your name?
My name, Lee.
Yeah, my name is Joshua Garcia.
Oh, thank
Yeah.
you. You, Philippine number 1!
Yeah! Philippine number 1. Also Vietnam number 1.
Number 1!
Yeah!
I love you, Philippines!
I love you, Vietnam! Alright! Teka lang, parang nahihilo. Ate, wala na ate.
That's so smooth. When I'm on the
Yeah!
when I'm on the street, looking for food.
Let me selfie.
Right I'm on the corner.
One, two.
Yeah.
My new best friend. Let's go. Sobrang friendly na mga taga-Vietnam, guys. Oh, yan. Sabi niya, ang gwapo ko daw. At mabait pa. Buleg! 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 Wow! Wow!
Yeah.
DC!
Sir, where are we going? Where are we going?
Over there.
Over there? Okay. We're going to the coconut daw.
Coconut nut is a big, big nut.
That's right.
Kumakanta sila, guys, oh. Pamelawan, ikalawang katawan.
That's right.
Philippine number 1!
Yeah, Vietnam number 1.
Vietnam number 2!
Saan yung nagaling yun, ha? Pag ito, bahala ka man pag pinalis yung bansa mo.
Philippine number 1!
Yeah. Vietnam number 1.
That's right.
This is Coconut Farm. Ayun, oh, Coconut Farm. Sana, guys, makita kami dito. Alligator!
Philippine number 1!
Yeah, no.
Yeah. Do you feel what I'm feeling?
1, 2, 3, 1. Love!
Vietnam number 1.
Do you feel what I'm feeling today?
Ano yun? Ano gagawin niya? Ano gagawin niya?
That's right. Oh Lord! Hey, you okay?
Isa pa!
Oh Lord! I feel like fighting today. Come on, come on.
Very scared, very scared, very scared, very scared. Ang sabi ko ayoko. Akala ko ba't ako pinapasakay doon? Iikutin pala ako. Vietnam number 1.
Oh Lord!
Guys,
I feel like fighting today. Come on, come on.
Hey, my new friend. Hey. Tuto.
That's right.
Pati ko yan nahihilo. It's okay. Okay. Oh, di ba? Ganun lang naman eh. Masaya tayo. Masaya din sila. After na sakuna, ayan yung mga itsura yun. Lin. Ba! After ng sakuna. Pagkatapos ng sakuna, ayos lang guys.
Pagod na.
Grabe, ang ganda ng sunset. Eh, Vietnam number 1. Vietnam. Best friend.
Okay.
What's I love you in Vietnam? Toy. Toy yêu Vietnam. Toy yêu Vietnam. Yeah. Toy yêu Vietnam.
That's right.
2, 3, go. Toy Vietnam. Toy Vietnam.
That's right.
Dami. One more. 1, 2, 3. Toy Vietnam.
That's right.
Off na. Pagod na ako. Hindi ko akalain na sobrang mag-enjoy kami dito. As in, akala ko parang... Basta, malaking tulong din talaga yung mga tropa na Elba. Naging tropa ko din sila. What's that?
Fish. Thủ ta của em.
Okay.
Nước lẹ.
Okay. Fish.
It's going to jump!
Này cam. Lấy đâu?
Later you eat.
Ay! Ang tawag ko dito is biangus. Biangus. Vietnam na bangus. Wali.